Okay, well today we are at Finders Keepers again. We are at Finders Keepers again. And we are about to head in here and see what we can find that we can flip for a profit. So we have not been here in a while to this location. And I'm feeling optimistic. I'm feeling like we could have good luck. So let's head in and see what we can find. Here we go. I brought the little goldfish one of these last time. Maybe now I need to get the little peacock version. Alright, here's object number 1. I wish I knew a little bit about rolling pins, but I am just out of my element there. Shaw Walker. This is like a serious mallet. Resin duck. I don't know. Ooh, I've got some Wedgwood here. They had Wedgwood over at the other Finders Keepers today. Oh, some pretty rings. Really pretty rings. Oh, I like those cocktail rings. Those are pretty. Ooh, look at those. Those are stunning. Wow. Little Fenton bears in there. That back there looks like a Joe St. Clair. Yep. It's a ring holder. It's probably marked on the bottom. Some paperweights in here. Hello. Ooh, hello. Granger. Quite a while ago, we actually picked up some really nice mugs from that other thrift store that we don't go to anymore. And they were actually worth $50 a piece. And they were very similar to this. This is not by the same artist though. But it really reminded me of that, so I had to check that out. Got the rice pattern teacup here. And that is just a made in China modern mark. Also has the teapot. I don't know about that one. I like the quality's not right for that, even though it has a sticker. The stickers can be deceptive. I'm you know, even though they have stickers, I'm always very unsure about the stickers. Ooh, this is quite nice. Oh, hello. 12-piece set. Got a little salt. 2 little salts in here. Look at this. 2 little salts. A pair of salts. We've got a teacup. Bunch of little saucers here. I guess butter pats. I'm loving this plate right here with the Moriage. And the Moriage, I should say, is this texture here. I mean, really the only pieces I want are this and the two the 2 salts right there. So I think I'm gonna leave it. Some restaurant wear. What do we have here? Yes, it looks a little bit like Limoges, but it's just a dish. I see a puppy over here on the wall. Let's go look at the puppy after we look at this geisha ware. I like that that one's all red. This one is not the best, but they are a set. I like that one. Let's see what the marking is on that second one. That's a lot heavier. This says made in Japan. I don't know. I feel like since it's marked made in Japan, I'm gonna leave that. If there was no mark at all, I may consider it. Now, over here, that buddy has a bird on it. That's not what I was looking at. I was actually looking at this. It's a puppy in a pocket. It's quite cute. I don't know though. $8.95. Puppy in a pocket. Alright. Ooh, look at the teapots today. Looky here. This is quite interesting. It's kind of an interesting shape. Let's see what the bottom says on it. Seymour Man. I believe that was part of Lipper and Man. And then they separated, and they were no more Lipper and Man. But I'm not sure how much that one goes for. It is quite nice. $6.95. I do like the shape of it. I really like these. You were waiting for me to like point these out, weren't you? So this set right here is $5.95. The handle is in desperate need of replacing, and you can actually buy replacements online. So that's not the end of the world when I see that these handles are worn out or need to be replaced. I think I'm going to grab this set. I really like it. I'm just going to check it over real quick and make sure that there's not a whole lot of damage on it. Peacock at the Fountain. Ooh, I like that one. It's mirror gold, and the pattern is Peacock at the Fountain. It is a compote, so we're gonna grab this. There doesn't appear to be any damage on it. Oh wait, I missed the other piece of Hanukkah. Oh, this one's got $24.95 on it. Oh, Rose Bowl. What? I do like the Rose Bowl. The price on that is $5.95. Do you like the basket? Wow, look at this.
What?
You've expanded.
Yes, I have.
I like it. So much more space.
Yes, I know.
Made in India.
venues, the ones back there that organic tools.
We'll take that. And actually, let's see what this. Jim Shore. Oh my goodness. Look at this. He actually has his salt and pepper. Usually I find it with no salt and pepper. But it is $3.95. Absolutely. Ooh, those are fancy. $8.95 for the set.
Vintage piece, but I've seen that type of stuff before, but I don't know what
They're in good condition. I would take them. And actually, I'm gonna look at these guys. Black Forest Art Pottery Villa. $7.95 for both of them, so that's $4 a piece. They are Urfilla, so they're imported into Philadelphia from Germany. I've never heard of Black Forest Art Pottery before. They're kind of Majolica. Unfortunately, this one has a little boo-boo, so I think I'm gonna pass on those. But I'm gonna get these. What do we have back there? Do you see it? Hello. That is quite nice. I don't see any damage on it. It is $12.95. That's gorgeous. I can make some money on that. I feel like I looked at this before. And sure enough, I did. There's damage on it, unfortunately. Even though it has birds on it. Gosh, I really like that. Oh my god. I feel like I almost need that for my office. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about it. Got these little guys here. Crystal Cathedral Ministries. Interesting.
And 3 items altogether? 3. You want some paper to lay out open on it, or?
Yeah, maybe just stick that in between hollow spaces there.
Want to put it in where you want it to be?
Alright, so we're gonna sneak our way through the furniture because there's always good stuff to be found over here. Little girl's tea set. It's not marked. It is quite cute though. Oh wow, look at this cool light. Ooh, I like this. Is this for sale? It's got a tag on it. I need this in my life. That would look awesome above my dining room table. Heck yeah. I really love these. I think they would look awesome in my office. They are such a fun color. So just gonna find out if we can get a price on them. Wowzers, look at him. I don't even know what kind of face that is. That is some kind of face. Oh boy. Focus. Focus.
Just wanted to let you know that the two love seats are on the
Oh my
camera went
goodness.
out today, and the young lady
Right.
sent you a picture of
Let's look up here. Sometimes these can have advertising on them, but it looks like just a little girl with an umbrella. I like this.
Not terribly, but
For
they're
$8.
Jocelyn is here, the crazy
Oh
man
wait,
lady.
maybe there's some damage there. Looks like there's a repair, so I'm gonna pass on that. Wow. They've really done some rearranging back here. I love it.
$12.95 a piece.
$12.95?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
yeah, that's what I thought too.
He's just trying to get rid of them, huh?
Well, they were just only a week.
Oh boy. I think I would have to take them for $12.95 a piece.
Yeah.
I just don't know if I could fit them in my car today. Brass kitten. Ooh, hello. For $5, I believe it's a bookend. I will take him. Oh my goodness, look at this piece. This is amazing. What is this marked? Oh my goodness. I cannot read that. Oh, it's a hobbyist piece. Wow, that is a statement piece. If I've ever seen one. That's pretty great. I was gonna say that looks like Hager. It's the mauve agate. That down there will glow in black light. That piece. Some nice glassware back here. Wow, look at that. That is outstanding. Wowzers. That looks like chalet glass. Yep, Canada. This here is Fostoria heirloom. Some critters in here. The mouse is adorable. There's two of them even. so out of practice talking in my videos from doing all the voiceovers that sometimes I forget to talk in my videos. And then there's just awkward silence. Kind of like that. All right, this glass. I know that this is not Fire and Light, but I believe, I can't remember if this is made in Brazil or Portugal. It is recycled glass. And I had a larger bowl of this same glass not too long ago that I found at the Goodwill, on the off chance that it was Fire and Light, and it was not. And what do we have down here? Sorry, I got distracted. Easily distracted. What? Bavaria. It's missing a lid. Oh, why does it have to be missing lids? Okay, never mind. But I think I'll buy this. Maybe we'll get this one. And the one last place that we have to check is around the corner. Oh wait, there's no more around the corner. I think I am going to get these for my office because I'm obsessed with them, and they only want $12.95 each. So the only drawback is that I cannot fit them in my car today. We've been shopping all day and I don't have the space for them in my car, so I'm going to have to pay for them and then come back for them. But I just think that color is so fun, and I can definitely use them. I think it'll be great. Got redone here. But I don't think that one's worth very much. White banded glass bowl. This is kind of a fun piece. Seltzer's Original Lebanon Bologna. I think Julia would like this. That's her favorite. Do that. All right. That. This blanket chest.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's so neat.
Yeah, sometimes I tell people you have to come in this way and then turn around and walk in the opposite.
Oh yeah, I totally missed this. Oh my gosh.
That's just like Barb said to me. I hardly look at this wall. Even though there's stuff on it.
Alright, so our total spend here at Finders Keepers was $127. About 40 of that was my new lamp light for my dining room, which I'm super excited about. I had purchased a mission style lamp for my dining room a couple years ago, but I have never gotten around to rewiring it. And so here's the solution. I'll just buy a lamp that doesn't need to be rewired. There we go. So I'm pretty excited about that. We got some really great stuff today. I'm feeling pretty good about it. But on that note, I am going to head home and get dinner ready for my children, and I will see all of you tomorrow. Later. My family calls it my superpower. It's my ability to see value in things that other people might overlook.